The Honda HA-420 Honda Jet was the first general aviation aircraft developed by the Honda Motor Company. This aircraft is a light private jet, designed by the Japanese company Honda and built in the United States. This Honda Jet belongs to the very light jet category. The Honda Jet is Honda's first commercial aircraft with a body that uses lightweight composite materials and aluminum. Its distinctive feature is configuring a wing-mounted engine. The engine itself uses 2 units of GE Honda HF120 turbofan jet engines, which are designed efficiently to improve performance with fuel by reducing aerodynamic drag. The plane, which can accommodate 6 passengers, has a stretch of 12.15 meters with a total length of 12.71 meters. This Honda Jet has a cruising speed of 778 kilometers per hour with a cruising ability of 2,593 kilometers. The fuselage is designed to reduce the cabin both in the air and when merged on the road surface while providing more space and greater cargo capacity. Inside the cockpit is a Honda customized Garmin G3000 avionics system with a 14-inch landscape display and dual touch-screen controllers. Honda Jet has completed tests such as cruise crash test, fast brake test, full load test, EASA windshield bird strike test, wind tunnel icing test, night lighting test to extreme weather test.